Early on in our development cycle as a company, we've decided which parts of the boat to build ourselves and which parts to de-risk by working with experts who have existing experience in interfacing with those technologies. The best example of why we've used Dynautics for this vessel is their existing experience with interfacing with torpedo propulsion systems. I think the biggest advantage to HydroSurv is we're able to get our product to market quicker. It means that we're able to concentrate on building our service operation as opposed to necessarily taking on the technical responsibility for developing all aspects of the boat ourselves. Working with Dynautics has been an efficient process for us. We've been able to handle vessel commissioning and testing over just 2 days, from initial receipt of the boat at their facility through to on-water testing on a controlled environment, enabling us to take that vessel in hand. They're always very helpful, and they go beyond the requirements of the brief to make sure that the boat's commissioned and everything is handled efficiently during the testing process.